Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2024 X7 full wrap Xpel's Ultimate Plus Fusion film that has the 4-year ceramic already manufactured into the product for a 10-year guarantee on the film, 4 years on the ceramic. Simply when the ceramic starts to wear out, we just recoat it and get you right back to the next 4-year level. So let's go over this and take a look at our install. We'll start here at the front. So the BMW medallion comes off real easy. It's just held on by some plugs. They just pop right off, but I don't want any lines. I don't have a circle cut out. Everything is fully 100% wrapped in all the way around. No big deal. Everything's nice and good. Coming around these corners are fully done. Corner on the fender fully done, and all the edges. No lines on top of where the film was. Even in here, this little rubber right here that separates the fender from the headlight, we get that film under that little section right there. So we just bring that along, and that's what the film goes under. It'll never be compromised. You'll never lift it from wiping with a towel because it's hidden. That's why the edges are so important to wrap. Wrapping those edges, most people don't wrap up in here where the fender and the A-pillar meet. I do all of them. Where this A-pillar comes around here, fully wrapped under here. I don't do anything. Whereas there's a line there, we take this little molding off. Everything goes back in place. Nothing's gonna get damaged. They're all just clips or 2A tape. It's not a problem. These black B-pillars get done. That's all one piece, this whole big rear quarter. No seaming. Tail light comes out easy enough. No lines around it. I mean, everything just looks like the car has nothing on it. These fender flares, we wrap all the way this top in the back, underneath, the full underneath, all this. So all this black trim's done, all along these doors, the rockers fully wrapped around. So it takes time. Let your installers talk about these things before you drop off, and make sure you and your installer have a understanding what your expectations are as a client and what can be done. Film has limitations. It can't make every corner. Sometimes there are gonna be seams. You just got to be good at seaming to make it acceptable. So much more the same on this side under these moldings. We don't have any lines. Everything goes under this. Our door handles, these come out, and we wrap in all this. There's no lines, no lines. The fuel door inside here fully wrapped, all the way wrapped around here. So we want that film edge hidden pretty well. And that's the best way to get the most time and protection, of course, out of your products. I've seen many people on hoods, if you don't wrap this edge, you're gonna get rock hits all along here, anywhere. So there it is, full wrap X7 2024 Xpel's Fusion film. And that's it. Any questions? I appreciate you guys watching Clearbrow, North Dallas YouTube channel. I'm Brent, and you can reach me at the 214-414-3809 or clearbrownorthdallas.com. Have a great Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.